Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a batata sweet potato pie. A batata sweet potato pie. Yes. So batata looks like this on the outside. Okay. And it does taste like a sweet potato, but it's not the regular sweet potatoes that we normally see that's orange inside. This has a white color inside. Okay, so I already cooked the batata potatoes in the pressure cooker for 45 minutes. I drained the water off, so now I'm ready to process them in the Ninja. Okay, so let's follow along, and we're going to try something new today. Thanks. Okay. This is what the batata potatoes look like. They're in the sweet potato family. And I'm going to be mixing it with the Ninja. So I'm just going to put them in. And I used three large batata. I used 3 large batatas to come up with this amount of batata to make the batata sweet potato pie. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add I have some heavy cream, and I have my pie crust cooking in the oven just to get the pie crust started. I'll show you what that looks like when I take it out. Okay, so this is 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. And I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of milk. 1/4 cup. Of milk. Okay, I have 3/4 of a stick of butter. 3/4 of a stick of butter. I'll put that in. Okay, this is 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And I need some vanilla. One, 2, 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay. Okay, now we're going to hit mix on the Ninja. Okay, I have some cinnamon here. I have 1 heaping tablespoons of cinnamon, and I think I want to do another half. Okay, 1½ heaping tablespoons of cinnamon. 1½ heaping tablespoons of cinnamon. getting there. Okay, let me taste. I need more sugar. Okay, so this is another cup of sugar, so that's a total of 2 cups of sugar. And I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of water. Take the crust out. Okay. This is the pie crust that I baked. It was in the oven for about maybe 7 minutes. And you can see that it has a little slight tan color to it. And you can see the bubbles there. Okay, that's the way you want to pre-cook the pie crust. But don't cook it pat no more than that. That's a good tone. So as you can see, it turned to a brown color because the batata is a white sweet potato. So when you add the cinnamon, then it gives you that brown color. That's what we're looking like. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven until it gets brown on the top. Even though it's a brown color, it'll get a darker tone brown. And then we'll be able to take that out. Okay, I can't wait to taste it. What about you? Okay, we'll be right back. I do have a little left over, as you can see down in here. So I'm going to actually put the balance that I have in a small container and put that in the oven as well. So then we'd have one with crust and one without crust. And I'll be right back. Okay, our Batata sweet potato pie is out. Look at that. Who'da knew, right? And this is just the extra that I had left over. So I'll use this as a side dish for one of my dinners. Okay, I can't taste it because, you know, it's like a custard, so it has to set up. So you make yours and let me know how you like it, okay? I hope you do. I'll talk to you soon. I got to give you the word of the day. The word of the day is think outside the box. So when you're trying to make ends meet, think outside the box. When you're stressed and you don't know what to do because everything that you're used to doing is not working, think outside the box. And sometimes when you think outside the box, some new ideas will come to your head. And take those new ideas and run with it. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.